Hello guys, welcome to TradeMaker YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be doing the analysis of the GBPUSD pair. Personally speaking, I like this pair because it's always in the trend and I have been trading this pair since like quite a long time now. I'll show you guys how to do the analysis and to decide you should be on the long side or on the short side. So let's start. What I do is every time I start with the weekly analysis. So let's do the weekly chart first, and I like to first draw the support and resistance zone because the support and the resistance for the weekly chart are really crucial while you're trading. So I can see that this is the main support where the price got rejected. You can see once, twice, thrice, and currently it's on the support level. And I'll draw the resistance, one of the major resistance I can see like this. See, the price got rejected here. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again this. So always look for the support and resistance for the weekly because those are really crucial if you are doing intraday or taking any long or short positions. And now I like to go for the daily chart. You can see it is clearly seen that price is rejecting and taking support of this support drawn here. From the daily chart you can see that the price is moving up, so you can expect the price go up, maybe range in this two areas, or if you can see a breakout in either direction you can expect to trade along that way. Now let's jump to the 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour. And one more thing, I like to draw the retracement so we can have an idea where exactly the price is. Okay, so make sure to check and to mark where the price got rejected because those two are the crucial points. It got rejected once, twice. So this resistance is playing a very crucial role currently, this one. And again, it is at the 38 percentage. Maybe you can expect for shorter trade to go this way because it's a 38 and the 50 percentage of retracement level. So yeah, this is how you should be doing or have an approach for your analysis. Go from weekly, daily to 4 hours for any forex pair, be it euro USD, be it gold, be it anything. What you can expect from GBP and USD? For intraday, you can expect to have price coming this way, testing this 38% level again, and going to test this resistance here like that, because this is an impulsive move. This whole move is impulsive. This is the correction going right now. You can expect for longer term, you can expect to go downsides because it already made the all-time low. That's the highest low of all time. You can expect to retest this point again, or else I can show you different scenario as well. You can consider this as a whole impulsive, may have made a retracement going on with the coronavirus and everything. If the price break out above this level. The next resistance for the daily chart, you can see that price coming this way here as well. So I believe that it's on the upper side because it already made one time low. So let's see how it goes. But this is the way how you should approach your analysis. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.